Get ready to stay active, have some fun, and make new friends using your fitness benefit. Your Medicare Advantage plan includes a fitness program benefit with SilverSneakers or Silver and Fit. Wondering which program is included in your benefit? Learn which program you have by checking your plan materials. You can also visit SilverSneakers.com, click Check My Eligibility at the top of your screen, and enter your state. If you don't see your health plan listed, you likely have your fitness benefit through Silver and Fit. In this video, we will discuss the SilverSneakers fitness benefit. With SilverSneakers, you have the flexibility to work out in live classes at a gym or community center, take online classes from home, and join community events, all at no extra cost to you. There are many different class options available, and every class is designed for seniors by top fitness instructors. This means that no matter your abilities, your interests, or your fitness level, there's something for you. Ready to start working on your fitness goals? Let's talk about your options. In-person workouts. Your fitness benefit helps cover the cost of membership at participating fitness center or gyms. There are over 15,000 participating locations to choose from, including national gyms, local community centers, and more. An in-person gym membership is a great option if you want to take fitness classes with a live instructor, enjoy exercising with others, want access to a wide variety of equipment like treadmills, weight machines, dumbbells, and more. Think attending in person would keep you accountable to your fitness goals. Fitness centers also have staff members who can help answer questions and show you how to use equipment. Plus, you'll be able to meet new friends in group classes like yoga, strength training, aquatics, or Zumba. Classes are designed for seniors of all fitness levels, from beginner to advanced. Each location has different class options and schedules. When picking a gym, make sure the fitness class options and times work for you. Visit SilverSneakers.com to check your eligibility and find a gym location near you. At-home workouts. Do you want to work out in the comfort and privacy of your home? No problem. Your plan also includes flexible at-home exercise options. Live online classes are offered daily with multiple class times available. You will log on at a specific time to take a workout class. Don't worry, you won't be seen on camera. Live classes range from 15 to 45 minutes and are led by a trained instructor. Class options include stretching, line dancing, seated strength, Zumba Gold, and many more. You can check the SilverSneakers website for more information. On-demand workouts. If you want to work out from home on your own time, you can use the SilverSneakers library of on-demand exercise videos. You can watch these videos at any time from your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Workout options range from beginner to advanced and include cardio, strength, dance, yoga, tai chi, meditation, and cycling. Whether you have 15 minutes or an hour, there is a class for you. You don't need to sign up for a class ahead of time or commit to a certain time. Visit SilverSneakers.com and click Login to get started. You can also work out at home using a fitness kit, a bundle of equipment that can be sent to your home. You can pick a home workout kit based on your fitness interests and goals. Options include a fitness tracker like a Fitbit Inspire 3, a yoga kit which includes yoga straps, strength equipment such as an exercise band, a toning kit which includes a fitness ball, or a walking kit which includes a pedometer. You can select one kit per plan year. You can mix and match your fitness with in-person, live online classes, on-demand videos, and a yearly fitness kit. Your benefit includes them all. If you are always on the go, take your workouts with you using either the SilverSneakers Mobile Go app or Apple Fitness Plus. The SilverSneakers app is available to both Apple and Android users. Apple users can also use Apple Fitness Plus on their iPhone or iPad. SilverSneakers Mobile Go app and Apple Fitness Plus are included in your fitness benefit at no additional cost for you. In addition to fitness classes, your benefit also offers access to GetSetUp. GetSetUp is a learning platform that offers live online classes from fellow seniors. Learn more about healthy cooking, financial planning, travel, art, and over 2,000 other topics. Whether you have been wanting to start a fitness routine, make new friends, or continue exercising, your fitness benefit offers it all. You can check your eligibility for SilverSneakers by visiting SilverSneakers.com. Questions? We're here to help. Contact Member Services at the phone number on the back of your health plan member ID card, TTY 711. We are here from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. 7 days a week between October 1st and March 31st, and from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday through Friday between April 1st and September 30th.